sais où est mon biophale?
Ah, c'est une maquette.
Oh, la réunion.
You are looking for the wind pressure?
Yes, wind is dying slowly. It's the end of the sea breeze effect. And the transition with tonight will be hard.
How was the day?
The day was really good. Actually, we took advantage on the Holcim and Paprec. We keep the north side of the fleet and we catch the new wind from east in first. And we had a really good corner effect at Capo de Gata. So we use it well. So it's really great because now we have an advantage of about 12 miles and 60 miles to finish. But with this kind of wind is not a lot. So everything is possible. But Amélie is taking a new guest now, so it's good. Parfait Amélie. Ça c'est bon ça. Ça c'est très bien. Et au vent c'est alimenté. Donc ça donne envie de rester en mode cap un peu.
So Amélie, can you tell me a little bit about the bucket?
So the point is, I'm not really used to that sun and this temperature. So it's a bit too hot for me to be steering in the sun. That's why I've got a bucket of non-cold but colder than the sun water.
Colder than the sun.
And I've got my feet in the bucket to cooler myself a bit.
It's not too heavy?
It works actually. Yeah, it's a bit of weight, but I think it's still better for performance as I'm still alive.
Okay. I was sailing today very close to the rocks, very close to the shore.
Yeah, close to the shore. A nice sailing session really close to the shore in Spain. Yeah, lovely. It was great. We had more pressure close to the shore.